بەناوی خۆی گەورە میهرەبان بەڕێزان ئامادەبوونی هێژا کەس و کاری قوتابیانی خۆشەویست قوتابیانی زێدە عەزیز بەیانیتان باش و خوشحاڵم کە هەموو لێرە جارێکی تر بەیەکەوە دەگەین بۆ بۆنەیەکی گرنگ لە بواری خوێندندا کە ئەویش دابینکردنی خوێندنی بێبەرامبەرە واتە زەمالە بۆ 20 قوتابی خۆشەویست لەلایەن کۆمپانیای گەنەل ئەنەرجیەوە. لێرەوە من سوپاسی گەنەل ئەنەرجی دەکەم بۆ دابینکردنی ئەو دەرفەتە بۆ ئەو قوتابیە بەهرەدارانەی کە قۆناغێکی نوێ لە خوێندن دەست پێ دەکەن و ئومێدم وایە لە دووە ڕۆژدا ببن بە کەسی کاریگەر و سەرکردەی بە توانای گەلەکەمان. دوای چەند ساڵێکی تر ئینشاءالله لە تەخەڕوجیەوە و دەرچوونیەوە لە زانکۆش هیوادارم لەگەڵ یەک بین و دوای ئەوەش بتان بینین جێگەی دەستان دیار بێت و لە کۆمەڵگەی خۆتان بتوانن کۆمەک و هاوکاری زیاتری خەڵک و وڵاتەکەی خۆتاندا. جارێکی تر سوپاستان دەکەم و هیوادارم کۆمپانیاکانی تریش چاو لە گەنەل ئەنەرجی بکەن بۆ ئەوەی ئەم جۆرە دەرفەتە بۆ قوتابیانی ئێمە فەرەهەم بکەن تاکو خەڵکێکی زیاتر بتوانێت سوود لەم دەرفەتە وەربگرێت. خوشحاڵم کە دەبینم زانکۆی ئەمەریکی زۆر قوتابی وەردەگرێت و بووەتە شوێنێک کە زۆر لەو قوتابیانەی چاویان لە خوێندنێکی کواڵیتی بەرزە ڕوو لە زانکۆی ئەمەریکی کوردستان لە دهۆک دەکەن و ئەتوانم بڵێم 65 لە سەتی ئەو قوتابیانەی لە زانکۆ دەخوێنن لەو کەسانن کە بە بێبەرامبەر لەلایەن ئەو کۆمپانیانەی کە وەکو گەنەل ئەنەرجی و وەزارەتی دەرەوەی وڵاتە یەکگرتووەکانی ئەمریکا و خودی زانکۆ و وەزارەتی خوێندنی باڵا یارمەتی دەدرێن و بە بێبەرامبەر خوێندن دەکەن. من جارێکی تر سوپاستان دەکەم و ڕێگەم بدەم من باقی گوتەکەی خۆم بە ئەنگلیزی پێشکەشتان بکەم. Honorable guests, ladies and gentlemen, dear students, scholars, good morning to you all. I want to begin by thanking the Gännell Energy and its leadership for your investment in our education today. Your scholarship to 20 students goes far beyond the American University campus in dehōk. It's a reminder to us all, the private sector, parents, teachers, students, and me and in my government, of our shared responsibility to our nation's children. AUK is committed to supporting unrepresented students, but those students who I have no doubt have the ability to make a difference if opportunity is given to them. Scholarship programs make up more than 65% of the current students in AUK, including by the US Department of State, KRG Ministry of Higher Education, and now Gەنەl Energy. AUK offers significant financial aid through the merit-based Mustafa Barzani scholarship. AUK is seeking American accreditation. AUK is partnering with many American institutions to build its capacity to ensure compliance with the accreditation requirements. It is also to create a culture of transparency, accountability, and continuous improvement. And I must say that we have made some real progress until now. I urge other companies to do the same as what Gännel did, and our partners in the international community to foster the culture of philanthropy, particularly in education. Public and private investment in education are critical. It helps ensure that our graduates can compete globally for jobs, ideas, and capital. I've talked before about Kurdistan's future as a knowledge nation, a place where children have the space to market and register, innovate ideas and products, where they can turn their ideas into good products, into businesses, a place that encourages intellect and entrepreneurship to tackle today's global issues, and a place that can help meet the greatest of challenges to our nation. Our future depends on education. It depends on how we educate our students and how we support our teachers and provide the necessary means to our schools and universities. I've spent time with students in high school, also universities, and I've told them whatever they want to be in life, whether they want to be an engineer, a scientist, a physician, a police officer, a peshmerga, a public servant, whatever they intend to be, it all starts at school. And they have to build their skills, and we must provide the best education for them from day one they attend school until they graduate the university. But I must tell you that despite all the challenges that we've had and the scarcity of the resources, we have made some real progress. It's not enough. It's not where we want to be. But it's a step we've taken. And we will do everything we possibly can to provide the best education for our students at different levels, from elementary all the way to universities. My government is committed to supporting the next generation. And that is our responsibility, to make sure that our schools are equipped with the latest technology and scientific facilities, to provide the financing for research and tackles our domestic challenges in areas like water shortage, and more importantly, to make sure our schools can help prepare the next generation for a stronger Kurdistan. Take digitalization, for instance. It is not just a project for the government alone. It's a transformation of our culture. A culture our bright youth can help accelerate through startups focused on tailored training. We need to train the rest of the public how to use new technology and how to use this new system of digitalization. Our government is doing what we can, but we also need our partners and friends, universities and schools, to teach the rest of the public and to help them how to use the new technology so that we don't fall behind in the 21st century. Digitalization will help integrate Kurdistan into the new global economy and make it easier to trade goods and services. That brings benefits and competition. Our graduates will need to prepare to compete with an ever-growing sophisticated global economy, not just here in Erbil, but across the Middle East and beyond. But digitalization also requires a change in culture, a new mindset to bring our society as a whole into the 21st century. I've made it clear that IT has to be central to our curriculum. The global economy will pivot to areas where uneducated people can drive innovation and meet its needs. That's why we've created the country's first accreditation body to inspire universities to set standards, to raise the bar, assure educational quality, bring transparency and accountability, and continuously improve education and skills for educators and students. We've made deals with our partners, and in my last visit to London, we've had an agreement with the Ministry of Higher Education that they will help us to also train instructors and teachers to improve the quality not only of education, but of our instructors as well. Nothing is more important than teachers. We are focused on supporting and rewarding their hard work. I know that at times teachers have turned to their own savings to ensure that our children get a decent education. I know they do it because they love the country. They believe in our children's potential. And I must say that our teachers are our heroes. And we must help them as much as we can. In my view, the future of our country depends on how much attention we give to our education and how much support we give to our teachers. We've tried to help them by contracts and ensure that they're paid on time, especially during exams. But I know this is not enough. We know that many of our teachers are going through some hard times. We are competing with these scarce resources and revenues because of the challenges that we're facing. But as we try to increase our revenues, as we try to provide more resources, my main focus is how we can support our teachers, how we can improve our education. And the more financial help and support we get, the more we can spend to support our children, our students, and of course, our teachers. Ladies and gentlemen, now even if we get all this right, even if our government provides the facilities and companies like the Gännell Energy give back into society and teachers are rewarded and parents support their children in school, it will all still be down to the individual, to the students, to every one of you, to listen and learn in class, to give back to the community when they can, and to help inch the country forward just a little bit. Once again, I wish you all the best, and I'm looking forward to your graduation. Thank you again. Thank you, Gännell Energy, and thank you all for being here.